I'm about to go now.
You going after this? Want to go with you?
I about to say, yeah. I slide with you later. Oh, no, I have a thing.
Because I'm going home anyway. So.
All right, man. My turn to die.
Oh, reset it?
Yeah, we're going to reset it. As soon as I get ready to start, we locked in. You ready? You need a little more time. Alright, you ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Hold on. Alright, man, I can take a couple seconds. That fool was dangerous.
Me and my husband
Ready to 17?
Let's go, let's go. Spicy. Well, man, 140, 147 is good pace. I can make it. I got 3. Three more. I won't get that bitch up off the one. Hey, come on, bro. I got this shit. This is definitely a drastic. What's the at 225? Come on. You shouldn't have said that. I was hurting my head. You good? Come on.
Places like Mexican restaurants.
Come on. I know. Come on.
Woo!
Come on, Raj. You can get 10. This is shit.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. How many was that? Come on. This your last time setting up. When you finish this one, you go back down.
Come on, what's we go for 8? Come on, Raj.
Come on. Now step back up. Come on.
Woo! Where I get it? 340. 340. Alright. First attempt to climb the mountain. How we feel? You got I feel defeated. I ain't gonna lie. My titties on fire. How you feel?
Feel better.
You feel better now?
Feel better. That shit did hurt though.
That shit, yeah, that shit spiked the shit out. This the first of
Oh,
many.
yeah, double fuck.
We gonna be back.
This nigga talking, he gonna